Welcome to Merit Institute of Life Saving Skill. I am Dr. Amar Chauhan. Now today I will demonstrate how to do a suprapubic cystostomy. And this is also very important procedure in case of urethral injury when you are not able to negotiate Foley's catheter, and then you have to do suprapubic cystostomy. Now the landmark for this procedure is approximately 2 to 3 finger from the midpoint from the pubic symphysis. So we will be going through this point, and first you have to confirm the distended bladder. So you can do the distension of bladder by two methods, either percussing over the hypogastric region, like you will find a dull note as compared to the surrounding area. Secondly, you can use ultrasound machine to find whether the bladder is distended or not. The bladder distension is very important point for doing this procedure. So once we have cleaned and draped the patient as given the anesthesia, we will take a spinal needle, say 23 number needle, and wherever there is a bulge, you can see the bulge, and we'll just go straight inside just to confirm that we are going in the bladder and demonstrate the presence of urine. So you can see the urine is coming out freely. So we'll take out the spinal needle. Now take a surgical blade and give an incision. Dilate with a hemostat. So you can see the yellow portion, which is the subcutaneous tissue. Then this is the red portion, the abdominal muscles. And once you have sufficiently enlarged the opening with the hemostat, you try to give a sort of stab through the opening. Now you take a suprapubic catheter, and one important point, whenever you use any catheter or any tube, you must confirm that the balloon is inflating properly, otherwise the whole exercise will be futile. So I will just check whether the balloon is inflating or not. So this is inflating normally. I'll deflate. Now take the suprapubic catheter, and through the opening, while applying a little bit of pressure, just go inside, apply pressure with the trocar or with the stylet. Connect with the Euro bag and inflate the balloon and do the antiseptic dressing. So you can see this is also a very simple procedure, can be learned by practicing on dummies, and this is the dummy which I have devised for suprapubic cystostomy and for pericardiocentesis. If you want the simulator for your practice, you can call me on 9811238509, or you can write to me drayus2@gmail.com. That's all for today. Thanks for watching the video.